welcome back to Tip Tuesday. Today we're talking about all things organization. So hang tight and we'll look at a cool way to organize all of your jewelry. In this organizational tip, it's really cool because what we did is went to our local hardware store and we purchased an organizer there, which works perfect for jewelry because the top portion has smaller bins, whereas the bottom portion has a little larger bins. This particular unit is about $25 to $35 depending on which store you go to. What we did for each one of them to organize is we took our label maker and on the tab we wrote was actually inside the bin. On the front portion we wrote the color of what was inside the bin. And then there you can see we can separate it. The unit does come with a few dividers, but not one divider for every single bin. So what I did is I took a plastic folder that I had and I measured from the template that came with the unit. And then it just simply snaps into place and creates a little divider between the two. What's nice about this, girls, is you can put your earrings, and it doesn't have to just be one earring in each. You can put several and then just kind of fish them out as you need them, which is perfect for our earrings. It also comes with a larger section here at the bottom, which is really great for bracelets, especially our larger, chunkier bracelets that tend to be a little harder to keep organized. So what you can do is create a whole section here of just your larger bracelets as well. So hopefully this unit right here will help you stay organized. So grab one and make one for yourself. What's nice is this can sit on the floor. It can also sit on a shelf, and on the back portion of it, it does have an area where you can hang it on the wall. So you have a couple options there. This is gonna help you stay organized and be able to find that special piece when you're getting dressed in the morning. So hopefully this is an amazing tip for you. I hope it was a blessing, and I hope you remember the most important thing, and that is that you, yes, Ladybug, you right there, you are beautiful no matter what you wear. God bless you. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you right back here next week on Tip Tuesday. A great organizational, a little strip in the middle, and so it allows you to add a little divider. It does come, I dropped it. Butterfingers. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, really? Really, Wendy? Really? What the what? All right, take away 800. And these are gonna be our earth tone earrings. The bin right here comes with, Wendy. Grab those cool, blitter. Wendy.